ivy-clad stone walls of an old manor as snow dusted the countryside. Inside, the fire crackled in the grand hearth, casting flickering shadows over the worn leather armchairs and the bridge table set in the center of the drawing room. It was the annual winter bridge retreat. Timmy's partner Andrew shuffled the cards with a quiet confidence. They were a team forged in countless sessions, their silent understanding stronger than any bidding convention. To Timmy's right sat Bartek, the self-proclaimed built-cliff coup expert, his sharp eyes scanning the room like a general surveying a battlefield. Beside him, Marjorie, calm, crossword puzzle in hand, her glasses perched on her nose, was already planning the auction before the first card was dealt. She didn't just bid, she orchestrated. At the far end of the table, Uncle George and Aunt Mildred exchanged a knowing glance. They brought something special this year, the George and Mildred Bridge Test Kit, a legendary collection of hand puzzles they'd gathered and refined over many years of bridge clubs, tournaments, and late-night analysis. Each test was a gem, a riddle wrapped in suits and honors. And then there was Tom. Tom clutched his cards like they held the secrets of the universe. "I've got a feeling," he announced, adjusting his tie for the 7th time. "I'm about to revolutionize declarer play." Robert, the quiet veteran with over 300 tournament wins, simply smiled and sipped his tea. "Let's see what the hand has to say first, Tom." Andrew pulled the test number 2 from the test kit. 6 spades contract. West leads club 2. No opponents bidding. 3 potential losers. 1 heart, 1 diamond, 1 club. Can you make 12 tricks? 30 minutes, George said, setting the antique sand timer. No talking, just thinking. And Tom, put the cards down before you shuffle the solution into oblivion. Andrew scribbled notes. Marjorie calmly filled in a few squares of her crossword, finessing direction. 6 letters. D-I-R-E-C-T. She smiled. Bartek leaned back. Ah, the classic double diamond dilemma. But only a true built-cliff coup expert sees the full path. Robert stared at the dummy. First trick, win with the club A. Then, trumps. Or diamonds. Tom raised his hand. "I think I should lead a spade from dummy immediately and force a ruff. Revolutionary end play." Outside, the storm intensified. Inside, the clock ticked. Challenge for you, the reader. You've seen the hand. You've got the same 30 minutes the players had. How would you make 6 spades after the club 2 lead? Pause here. Think. Plan. Then come back to see.
Subscribe our channel for more videos.
30 minutes passed. "George, time's up. Who has the solution?" One by one, they shared their thoughts. Andrew proposed a diamond finesse. Robert simply said, "You need 2 diamond tricks without losing the lead." Then George nodded to the screen that had been set up in the corner. "Let's see the answer," he said, pressing play. On the screen, solution to test number 2, the 6 spades make. Step 1. Win the opening lead of club 2 with the club A in hand. You can't afford to lose a club trick, so secure it now. Step 2. Draw trumps. Let a small spade to the spade A in south, then play the spade J, pulling all 2 rounds of trumps. West and east follow suit. Now, the defenders have no trumps left. Step 3. Execute the diamond double finesse. Now, lead the diamond J from dummy. If East plays low, play a spot diamond from hand, finessing East. If East covers with the diamond J, win with the diamond A, capturing it outright. Then, later, lead the spade 10 from hand to dummy's spade K and finesse again with the diamond 9. This time, if East has the diamond K, you'll catch it. With both finesses working in tandem, you take 3 diamond tricks. Step 4. Discard your club loser on the 4th diamond. After winning the diamond finesse sequences, lead your 4th diamond, the diamond 10, from south. When it wins, use that trick to discard your losing club cue. But here's the brilliance. By using the double finesse in diamonds, you take 3 diamond tricks without ever losing the lead, preserving your entries. And since you've already eliminated the club loser early, you make exactly 12 tricks. Contract made. The room erupted. Of course, the double finesse, Tom exclaimed. You can't afford to lose a diamond trick, so you finesse twice. Andrew nodded. And by drawing trumps first, you keep control. No roughs, no surprises. Bartek grinned. A classic tempo-based finesse sequence. Only a master of the Biltcliff coup would see it. Tom scratched his head. So, no revolutionary rough? Robert chuckled. Sometimes, the best revolution is patience and precision. Aunt Mildred poured tea. And that, my dears, is why George and I spent 50 years collecting these puzzles. Not just to win, but to think. As the fire glowed and the snow fell softly outside, the group gathered closer, ready for test number 3. In bridge, as in life, the right play isn't always obvious, but it's always worth finding.